Hello dear friends, you have come to the channel where amazing trades and other crazy things happen in the world of trading. My name is James and I'm a professional trader with more than 5 years of experience in trading. And in today's video I will conduct trades with the help of which you and I, dear friends, will accelerate our balance, and as a real gentleman, your friend in business, will share these strategies with you, conducting them on a not known exchange called QUOTEX. This is a wonderful exchange with high functionality, excellent reputation, and the link, by the way, in the description to the video, and also on my private Telegram channel for the real VIPs, where I share very important insider information and just news in the world of trading. Well, let's get started, guys. But before you start, don't forget to click on the like, subscribe to the channel, write any comments, and yes, absolutely any comment, because that's how our channel is promoted on the YouTube platform, and it's you who can help us to move up in the system. So let's hit that subscribe button and with all our might and press all sorts of bells, power yourself your favorite soft drink from your business flask, because today we're going to boost our balance to the sky. Dear friends, let's start increasing our balance. I'm going to do some currency trading, namely dollar to Bangladesh taka, as the pairs seemed promising to me with great profit opportunities. Please give me a few seconds for a quick analysis. In general, look, my dear friends, what I noticed here, we have a horizontal support level from which we bounce every time, here and here. Then we came down to it again. We tried to break it, but it turned out to be a false breakout. Here we approached it again, and in this place we got a very strong impulse. We have a horizontal level to which the price stands. The RSI is at the oversold level, which means that if the price reaches the resistance level, it will not be able to break it because it is very overbought, so it will have to sell out. Based on all these factors, I'm still leaning towards the opinion that it makes sense to enter this trade fully up. In the process of executing a trade, I may be removing or speeding up some steps so as not to take up a lot of your time. However, I think it is important to share with you various news and events from the trading world. Let me tell you an interesting story called Black Monday 1987. October the 4th, 1987 was one of the most famous days in the history of world finance. This day, known as Black Monday, was part of the stock market crisis that eventually became known as Black Tuesday. The crisis started in Hong Kong and quickly spread around the world. Panic among investors and traders caused a serious drop in stocks. More and more investors rushed to sell their shares, which led to a decline in their value. The most famous event of the day was the dramatic crash of the New York Stock Exchange. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index lost more than 22% of its value in one day, which was the largest percentage drop in the exchange history. Many traders and investors were shocked and worried about the consequence for the world economy. The general panic led to additional stock sales and further market declines. However, despite all these problems, many experts consider Black Monday to be a temporary phenomenon, and the markets have recovered from this crisis. This day also served as an occasion to improve risk management and stability in financial markets. The story of Black Monday in 1987 emphasizes the importance of knowing the risks and carefully planning in the trading world, as well as the ability to react to unexpected events. By the way, our current deal has closed and we made a decent profit of $95. However, we don't plan to stop here, right? Sure, so let's move on to the next deal. Dear friends, I will change the currency pair with your permission, and the choice of my next subject finalizes dollar to Pakistani rupee is based on a careful consideration of the current market situation and opportunities of our further investments. Now I will analyze the chart in front of you. Okay, this one. Obviously, a certain picture appears, and I would like you, my dear friends, to pay attention to what I'm talking about. Namely, here we have the global downtrend. We can see that there is a global downtrend channel where the price is moving and bouncing off the boundaries, moving roughly in the same direction. I would suggest that we have the possibility of a further breakdown, but the RSI is oversold, which means that the price will be standing roughly in this position. So I will be looking at bounces roughly in this boundary range. Judging by my analysis, my choice in this case is unambiguously to fully realize this trade in the direction of the uptrend. Let's see what results we can achieve in the process. In anticipation of that, let me share some exciting news. Here, for example, is another one that caught my eye. In the early 1980s, future markets for the S&P 500 index began in Chicago. Traders called arbitragers, arbitrage people, so it's like really interesting, began developing strategies to capitalize on price differences between the futures and the stock of the companies in the index. One of the most successful arbitrage was Richard Dennis, who created a group of traders known as the Turtles to teach them his strategies. This group started trading in early 80s and following Dennis' rules and methods became very successful. Dennis' experiment proved that the trading could be teachable and that successful strategies could be passed on to others. Many of Dennis' students have achieved notable success in trading, demonstrating the importance of trading and discipline in this field. The deal has been successfully completed and our balance has increased significantly. I suggest to continue and move forward, dear friends. Another deal is waiting for us, and why don't we continue our way to success? Don't stop, this is our motto. Dear friends, I decided to choose the currency pair dollar to Egyptian pound. Let me explain why I made this choice. Because we can see that we have an uptrend clamped by the upper and lower levels. We bounce from them, sometimes break through, but after a quick retracement, we come back. RSI is in the comfort zone, which means that it is necessary to take the trade up. Okay, let me just fast forward to the end of the deal so I don't waste your business time, because there is really nothing interesting to talk about in this deal, but you can still make money on it. The trade successfully closed and we see a $342 gain. A great day, I must say. Let's make a few more of these trades and complete our successful streak. It is important to remember that in the world of trading, there are times to act and times to pause. Dollar to Brazilian real is another interesting currency pair that I have chosen for our analysis. This decision is made in order to satisfy your interests and to utilize my many years of experience in the world of trading, which I'm happy to share with you. While I was looking for a suitable object to analyze, I did some research on this pair. Let's briefly review the current situation and prospects on the market. We have a slope that we are following. We have a local support slope. If we are not strong enough to break the resistance slope, then we can go down. And now we're close to the global slope. After a few bits, it is now decided where exactly our chart will go. Judging by the analysis, the environment does seem favorable to invest with maximum confidence in the direction of the uptrend. So let's check if your assumption was correct, dear friends. The time for action is now. I can already foresee the deal being successful, but in order to take up too much of your time, I will expedite the process so you can get on with your business without undue delay. So the deal bring us an excellent profit of $6,500. So let's go straight to the next deal and see if we can increase our earnings. After that, we can summarize and evaluate our success in the market. On the last trade, I chose the currency pair of euro to Swiss franc. Let's analyze this pair together and determine whether there is a potential for successful trading here or not. Let me see. Okay, so yes, a really great chart, It is important to pay attention to its dynamics and possible prospects for our deal. We have horizontal resistance and horizontal support after the growth impulse. Such a pattern is called a flag. That is, such a pattern continues further advance after a small consolidation at a certain level. RSI is in an excellent zone for further growth. That is why, dear friends, we are ready to take risks, as the market always involves risks and we can never predict when it may turn back on us. We invest all of our funds with the confidence that the chart will go up. So time for our final move for today. Let's see how it plays out. Let's go. Let's find out what we can achieve. Hopefully luck will be in our side today, and I'm excited to show you how to properly develop and grow your balance sheet while avoiding losses. Let's keep a close eye on our efforts and learn from this experience. Yeah, guys, finally we did it. Today in this video we went from $50 and finished it with a capital of $1,231. That's how amazing and dynamic the world of trading can be. I hope that it was interesting and informative for you to follow this process, guys, and that's all. And at this point, dear friends, I have to end our video. As you can see, today we managed to achieve our goals, and as true businessmen, we increased our balance by a couple more amazing zeros. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell to get all the notifications about new videos as soon as they come online. And also don't forget about Telegram channel for real VIPs. That is for you, of course, guys. In it you will find a lot of important information for successful transactions and good mood. With you was your friend James and business comrade. So until new meetings, guys, and I wish you all successful trading sessions. Bye.